Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to ServiceNow 911. We are at video number 3 of domain separation. We got few queries which you see on the screen. So how the users are getting manipulated, how we can manipulate the domains here. So here basically we will discuss what is the default behavior of domains, how the data is being shown to the domain, and if I want to see or I want to show data of one domain to other domain, how I can do that. Okay, so all these things we'll discuss in detail. So let's go to the instance. This is my instance, and this is, you see, the domain hierarchy here. In this instance, how you go there, just write down domain and click on domain map. This will come. Okay, so here we have the top domain, then we have these MSP, Oceanic, ACME, and Cisco, and then for MSP we have an MSP technician as well, that is the child. So what is the default behavior here? The data of a domain can be seen by the users in that domain, as well as the users can see any data which is there in the child domain of that particular domain. Like if you are in MSP, you can see the data of MSP as well as MSP technician. You cannot see the data apart from MSP like default, ACME, Cisco. No. If you are in Cisco, you can see only the data in Cisco. And if you are in top, you can see all the data. So this is how the default hierarchy works. So what I did here, I have created 3 users. You see, domain user Cisco, domain user MSP tech, and domain user MSP. Okay. So this is MSP technician, this is MSP domain, and this is Cisco domain. As well as I have created 3 incidents here. Let me reload this. You see, all these 3 incidents are in 3 different domains. This one is number 7, which is in Cisco, number 6 in MSP, and number 4 in MSP technician, which is child of MSP. So what is the ideal behavior? If I impersonate to Cisco, let's see what will happen. So now I will go to impersonate Cisco user. This is domain user Cisco, impersonate. If I reload, I am seeing only one incident, that is from Cisco domain, right? This is the easy case here, simple explanation. If I impersonate to MSP, let me impersonate to MSP. This is MSP user, impersonate. So according to this, the MSP user will see the data of MSP as well as its child, and its child is this one. So now if I reload, you see, this is as per default. Okay. So this is how the domain should work. But now the question is, if I want to show Cisco people or Cisco users MSP technician data also, in that case, what I will do? In that case, we have to modify some visibility setting in the domains. Okay. So how I can do that? Let me show you. And impersonation. Let's open Cisco user. This is Cisco user. At the bottom, you see this is a visibility domain. It means here we can define explicitly what data or which domain you can see apart from your original domain or apart from your default domains. Default domains means your domain or your child domain. So here I have the option to click on edit. I am only seeing Cisco here, but this should not be the case. Click on cancel. It's a kind of cache or something. Okay, just right click here and click on toggle domain scope. So now you see the domain scope is expanded. Now click on edit. Apart from Cisco, you have now all the domains which are available. So this user is in Cisco. So I want to see MSP technician as well. Okay, in the Cisco one. So now click on this, add it into the visibility domain list. Click on save. So what I did here, I am directing the system to show users with Cisco domain the data of MSP technician as well. Okay. So this is what I have configured. So now if I go here, let me impersonate to Cisco this time. Previously, we were seeing only one incident, right? But now I think we should see more. If I reload, you see, I am seeing Cisco as well as I am seeing MSP technician. So I am seeing both type of data here. So this is happening because of this configuration which we did, and that is visibility domain. So in case in your organization, you have such requirement where you have to show one data to another, one domain data to another user as well, you can do so by like this, okay? You have the option to do the visibility settings for users or for the groups as well, okay? So now if I go to one of the group, this is the group, right? Let me open this group. You see visibility domain option is also available here. So you can do so for both groups and users. So I hope you understand how we can manage the visibility domain, how we can do or manipulate the things here. So in case if you need, you can do so. Okay. Let me know if you have any question. We have few more questions which I will take care, and based on that I will create one more video. Till then, thank you so much. Subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends and colleagues, and thank you once again. Bye bye.